High in the mountains of Sichuan, China, lies a place of extraordinary natural beauty. This is Huanglong, which translates to Yellow Dragon. It is a land sculpted by water, where vibrant pools cascade down slopes like dragon scales. Huanglong is a wonderland of travertine terraces, waterfalls, ancient forests, and snow-capped peaks. This unique ecosystem is a haven for diverse flora and fauna, some found nowhere else on Earth. Join us as we explore the wonders of Huanglong, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Huanglong is located in the northwest of Sichuan province, on the edge of the Tibetan Plateau. This region is known for its dramatic landscapes and rich biodiversity. Huanglong itself sits within the Minshan mountain range, its highest point soaring over 5,500 meters above sea level. The area is characterized by alpine meadows, coniferous forests, and rugged peaks, creating a breathtaking backdrop for the main attraction, the Huanglong Valley. The defining feature of Huanglong is undoubtedly its travertine pools. These pools are formed by the slow precipitation of calcium carbonate from the mineral-rich water flowing down from the mountains. Over millennia, this process has created thousands of terraced pools, each filled with crystal-clear water in shades of blue, green, yellow, and orange. The colors are due to the interplay of sunlight, water depth, and the presence of algae and mineral deposits. The travertine terraces of Huanglong stretch for over 3.6 kilometers through the valley, resembling a giant multi-tiered waterfall frozen in time. The most impressive section is the Golden Sand Beach, where hundreds of shallow pools shimmer in the sunlight, their edges rimmed with golden calcite deposits. Another highlight is the Flying Waterfall, where water cascades down a series of travertine steps, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of sound and motion. Section 5. Beyond the Pools, Waterfalls and Forests. Huanglong, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its stunning travertine pools, which captivate visitors with their vibrant colors and unique formations. These pools, formed over thousands of years, are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. While the travertine pools are the main attraction, Huanglong offers much more to explore. The valley is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. As you venture beyond the pools, you'll discover a landscape rich in diversity and beauty. Numerous waterfalls dot the landscape, adding to the sonic tapestry of the valley. The sound of water cascading over rocks creates a serene and calming atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and take in the natural beauty around them. Each waterfall has its own unique charm, contributing to the overall magic of Huanglong. The most famous is the Jaga Waterfall, which plunges over a cliff 93 meters, or 305 feet high, creating a thunderous roar that echoes through the mountains. This majestic waterfall is a sight to behold, with its powerful flow and misty spray creating a mesmerizing display. Visitors often find themselves entranced by the sheer force and beauty of Jaga Waterfall. Surrounding the pools and waterfalls are dense forests of fir, bamboo, and rhododendron, providing a habitat for a variety of wildlife. These forests are teeming with life, from the smallest insects to larger mammals. The rich biodiversity of Huanglong's forests is a testament to the area's ecological significance. As you wander through these lush forests, you may encounter a variety of birds, insects, and even some rare species that call this place home. The interplay of light and shadow in the forest creates a magical ambiance, making every step a new adventure. Section 6. A haven for rare and endangered species. Huanglong is not only a geological wonder, but also a biodiversity hotspot. The park is home to over 1,500 plant species and numerous animal species, many of which are endemic to the region. Among the notable inhabitants are the golden snub-nosed monkey, the giant panda, and the snow leopard, all highly endangered species. Birdwatchers will also delight in the avian diversity, with over 100 bird species recorded in the area. Section 7. History in the Heights. Huanglong's cultural significance. Beyond its natural splendor, Huanglong holds deep cultural significance that resonates through the ages. This area is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a repository of rich cultural heritage. The area has been revered by local Tibetan and Chiang people for centuries. These communities have woven their lives and traditions around the natural beauty of Huanglong, creating a tapestry of cultural practices that are still alive today. Legends abound about the origins of the Travertine pools, often attributed to mythical creatures or divine intervention. These stories are passed down through generations, adding a layer of mystique and wonder to the already breathtaking landscape. Buddhist temples and monasteries dot the landscape, testament to the area's spiritual importance. These sacred sites serve as places of worship and reflection, drawing pilgrims and visitors who seek spiritual solace amidst the natural beauty. One such temple, the Huanglong Temple, is nestled at the head of the valley, adding a touch of human history to the natural grandeur. This temple, with its intricate architecture and serene ambiance, stands as a symbol of the harmonious coexistence between nature and spirituality. The temple's history is intertwined with the legends of the Travertine pools, making it a focal point for both cultural and natural exploration. Festivals and cultural events are held throughout the year, celebrating the unique heritage of the Tibetan and Chiang people. These events are vibrant displays of traditional music, dance, and art, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural fabric of the region. Visitors can immerse themselves in these celebrations, gaining a deeper understanding of the cultural significance that Huanglong holds. In essence, Huanglong is a place where nature and culture converge, creating a unique and enriching experience for all who visit. Its cultural significance is as profound as its natural beauty, making it a truly remarkable destination. Section 8. Visiting Huanglong. Practical information and tips. This section will provide you with essential information and helpful tips to make your visit to Huanglong a memorable experience. The best time to visit Huanglong is from April to November, when the weather is mild and the pools are at their most vibrant. During these months, the natural beauty of Huanglong is at its peak, with lush greenery in spring and stunning autumn foliage. The Travertine pools, known for their vibrant colors, are a highlight of the park. These pools are formed by mineral deposits and are a sight to behold, especially when the sunlight hits them just right, creating a mesmerizing display of colors. The park is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's important to arrive early to make the most of your visit and avoid the crowds. The entrance gate is where your adventure begins, so be sure to have your tickets ready. The nearest city is Songpan, which is well connected by road. Songpan is a charming city with a rich history and serves as a convenient base for your trip to Huanglong. You can explore the local markets and enjoy the traditional architecture before heading to the park. From Songpan, you can take a bus to Huanglong. The bus ride offers scenic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, making the journey part of the experience. Alternatively, you can hire a taxi to Huanglong. This option provides more flexibility and comfort, especially if you are traveling with a group or have a lot of luggage. It's advisable to spend at least a full day exploring the park, allowing ample time to hike the trails and soak in the scenery. The park offers a variety of trails, ranging from easy walks to more challenging hikes, catering to all fitness levels. The wooden hiking trails and boardwalks are well maintained, making it easy to navigate through the park. These trails take you through some of the most picturesque areas, offering stunning views at every turn. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the tranquil views of Huanglong Valley. The serene environment and breathtaking landscapes provide countless photo opportunities. Whether you're an avid photographer or just looking to capture memories, Huanglong will not disappoint. Section 9. A World Heritage Site. Preserving Huanglong's legacy. In recognition of its outstanding universal value, Huanglong was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1992. The site is recognized for its exceptional natural beauty, its unique geological formations, and its importance for biodiversity conservation. Efforts are underway to preserve this fragile ecosystem, including limiting visitor numbers and promoting sustainable tourism practices. Section 10. Discover the magic of Huanglong. Huanglong is a place where the power of nature is on full display. From the cascading Travertine pools to the towering waterfalls and the diverse wildlife, every aspect of this enchanting landscape inspires awe and wonder. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photography aficionado, or simply seeking an escape into the heart of nature, Huanglong promises an unforgettable journey. So, come and discover the magic of Huanglong, a hidden gem in the mountains of China.